Hi everyone, welcome back to Natural Beauty with Melanie. As you can see, I'm here with my sidekick Ava, and we are here to unbox the June 2021 Petit Vour box. So let's dive in. You'll see I'm wearing my little French braids. I do this before bed, and then my hair is wavy when I wake up. So I'm gonna take it out at the end of this just to show you what it looks like in case you decide you wanna give it a try for your hair. And just kind of random. This is what the card looks like. All right, so let's see. Ooh, oh, I am excited about the first item that my eyes landed on. Osmia Naked Body Oil. This is nice. I just got the Osmia face soap, and I've used it a few times, and I'm super underwhelmed. The black clay facial soap that I've heard so many people rave about, like several different YouTube women that I really like, and I'm like, what? There's something I'm missing here. So that being said, I'm really excited to try this because I love a good body oil, and I am really curious about using more of Osmia's products, trying out some of their like body soaps and stuff. Anyways, so this has kukui oil, rosehip seed oil, sea buckthorn, and this is a value of $20, comprised of 11 nourishing oils. This body oil naturally nourishes and heals, making it perfect for all skin types. Applied to clean and wet skin. 30 milliliters. Oh yeah, this is nice. Ooh, I've seen this too on the website, and I've been curious. This is a good one. I am excited. Let's see if we can just try a little. So I'm assuming, I don't know if naked body oil means unscented. Oh, just dip my nose directly into it. So it's funny because I did get a really good body oil from this box. The, it was like the Ormus scented one. I forget what the brand was. But the body oil was gorgeous, but the scent was weird. So there's like a little smell, but super subtle. I was almost going to say like the tiniest citrus note or the tiniest floral note, but it blended in very well, so that'll be nice. I do usually like a scented body lotion, but I'm also not opposed to something unscented, so that is awesome. I'm super excited about this product. And the last body oil I went through quite quickly because I used it after every shower, so I would probably use this pretty quickly. So that is awesome. Good start. Let's see. We have two of something that looks the same. K-Voss. All right, let's see. 2 Shine-On Sticks. Shimmer Stick Illuminator Visage. So it is a buildable and blendable cream highlighter stick with an iridescent finish that glides on easily for On the Glow Go. This creamy formula can be used alone or under other highlighters for a more intense effect. Its iridescent shimmer finish adds dimension and a pearlescent glow to skin that leaves a gorgeously subtle shine with one swipe. The highlighting stick comes in a spectrum of universally enchanting shades for maximum versatility, designed to be flattering to all skin notes. Interesting. Let's see. $28 for the two. It's made with Kapuku butter and wild flax, which creates a blendable and buildable iridescent glow that glides on easily. Oh, okay. We've got a little pink thing here. All right, let's open this. I don't think I own a highlighter in my collection. I don't wear a ton of makeup. I mean, right now I have eyeshadow, mascara. I put some lip gloss on. You can barely see. Just very minimal, but I do work from home and stuff, and you know, I try to wear makeup more when I go out. Oh dear. That looks like a situation. Oh, okay. Well, I guess that's as far in as it going. Okay, so well, that's the situation with that one. That doesn't seem good, but we'll see. I guess we could still make it work, but let's that's interesting. it almost, so I don't, it's pinky, you know, but put a little here too. Yeah, that looks pretty pink. I thought a highlighter stick is supposed to be, shimmer stick is supposed to be like more sheer with just shimmer, but no, that's what it looks like up close. So anyways, I don't know, I'll have to experiment with that. But again, that's what the color looks like. It's very pinky peachy on me. So I don't know. My face is kind of shiny right now. I think I put my face oil on and then sunscreen, so well. But anyways, that's how it blended in to my hand. And then, I don't know, that's how it blended into my inner wrist-ish. We'll see about that. I don't know how much use I'll get out of it. I have 2, so that will be interesting. I wonder if the other one's like top is weird, but I don't know. That could be something I could give to a friend to try if they really wanted. All right, let's see. We have an illuminating toning mist, Tyla Vayu. So first I thought this was a perfume, but it says a toning mist, so it must not be. It's glass. Gently spritz over your face and the neck and your neck before your serum and moisturizer. Interesting. So this is Tyla, T-A-I-L-A is the brand. The product is Vayu Illuminating Toning Mist, $10. This lightweight hydrating mist infuses skin with key actives to rebalance, smooth, and purify for an energized and illuminated complexion. 10 milliliters. This is like really pretty looking for toner. I'm afraid to do the spritz like directly to my face, so let me, oh, it seems pretty, okay, I think I might try on my face. Nice mist. It doesn't, you know how you sometimes get blasted away with these? It definitely had like a scent to it that I feel like I recognized. There's very few ingredients, so let me tell you. Tulsi water, which I don't really know what that is. Rosa Damascena flower water, glycerin, cucumber fruit extract water, Leuconostoke aloe barbadenius leaf, Sorbus cuparia fruit ferment filtrate. And some of them are starred and it says ingredients from organic farming. I liked the scent. I can't exactly place it. It wasn't like floral or citrus, but it was like really pleasant. I'm trying to see where I sprayed it, but this is a really nice product. So I'm like, so far, well, I mean, we're already open 3 out of 4, but I'm really excited about this. And I'm really excited about this. The illuminating stick, we'll see. And let's see, we have one more product in here. All right, we got Juice Beauty. Juice Beauty was in the last box, and this is the antioxidant serum. The last serum we got for them was like a blemish clearing serum, which I'll use here and there, but it was like big. I think it was 1 full ounce. This one is 0.26 fluid ounces. So, antioxidant serum. This is worth $6, proven to help reduce free radicals. This lightweight serum feeds your skin with vitamins and antioxidants from organic botanical juices and plant oils. So this is more up my alley than that. The blemish clearing one had like salicylic, I don't even know if I ever say that correctly, salicylic acid in it. So I wouldn't use it on a daily basis, but I will use it on like blemishes. But this seems like one I could use on a daily basis. I didn't look at all the ingredients, but the way it's described with like jojoba and stuff. Okay, it says, lightweight serum feeds your skin with vitamins and antioxidants from certified organic juices, moisturizes with fatty acid-packed plant oils, and smooths appearance of fine lines with alpha lipoic acid and CoQ10, the perfect daily vitamin to use after cleansing and before your moisturizer. A daily essential for all skin types. That's pretty cool. It's fun to get a serum that I would use daily. I will open it up because I don't have a lot of serums open, and I feel like it won't be a long time. So that's consistency. Pretty much unscented, I'd say. Nice. That's cool. I'm excited. So this is like great box. We got the Osmia Naked Body Oil. for $20. We got the 2 illuminating sticks for $28, so we're at $48. Let's just say like about $50. Then we have the toning mist for $10, so about $60. And then we have the serum for about $6, so I think, so that's about $66, and I rounded up $2, so $64 value. Pretty nice. Cool box. I'm excited about that. There's been some boxes, I'm just gonna take my hair out now just to show you. There's been some boxes that I haven't been like super into. I was gifted a year subscription from my husband for like this past Christmas, and I've asked myself, like, would I consider this box? And there's been times I've thought, no, I wouldn't. I don't know, box like this, I would say I would want to continue. I think it was like about $185 for the year, so it was less than $20 a box. So anyways, that's what my hair looks like once I take it. I have thick, heavy hair. Well, I have thick hair. I don't know if so just so, yeah, that's what it looks like though. It's just a nice way for me to do nothing and to have it look, you know, if I just let it air dry, the natural wave isn't really that pretty. But if I do the French braids, and then this is like it at its most full, it'll calm down a bit. But yeah, I just do the French braids, and I use these little, like little elastics. And I don't use any product. I use detangler when I get out of the shower, but I don't use any product. Yeah, very, very shiny right now, but what can you do? Anyways, so thank you for watching. Please give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it or found it helpful. And please click the subscribe button so you'll be alerted from when the next video comes out. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.